I need a gangster to love me better than all the others do.
Catherine never compelled me. I knew everything.
To always forgive me, ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do. My freakness is on the loose and running all over you. Please take me to places I know